Okay, students, we have to start. Today is our introduction class, chemistry. Class 9. क्लास 9th है आपका. This is your introduction class. This is your introduction class. In this class, we have to know about our syllabus. In chemistry and of 9th class, we have to learn four chapters. First one is matters in our surroundings. Matter in our surrounding. Second is matter around us pure. Is matter around us pure. Third one, atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecule. And fourth, and it is the last chapter, structure of atom. Structure of atom. This is your fourth class. This is your fourth chapter you have to read in class 9. Now we have to know about for SC1 which chapters we have to read. We have to read two chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2. We have to identify this chapter, these types. For summative 1, summative assessment 1, these chapters, and for summative assessment 2 or annual exam, this is also called final exam, or it is also called half yearly exam. Okay, you all understand this. This is your syllabus. You have also maintained your mind that the ratio of 40 and 60 is also exist in final. In final exam, you have to read 40% of SA1 and 60% of SA2, and these all both sum is 100, complete 100% for final exam. For final exam, okay. Please take a screenshot of this page, students. Please take a screenshot of this page. 60 till 40. Second term का 60, first term का 40. Okay. Please take a screenshot of this page. I hope all students are taking a screenshot of this page. We have discussed with some participant, Mr. Ayush Kumar. Mr. Ayush Kumar
सर नहीं है सर, गलती से हो गया सर हैंड रेज।
अनुष्का, अनुष्का, don't raise your hand please. If you have any problem, then ask
सर
from.
5 ही चैप्टर पढ़ना है पूरा साल में?
Yes, 4 chapter only, not 5. You have to read only 4 chapters, not 5. Okay. Okay. Arpana Rani, please. Intro. Rumi, you listen me. Rumi, you listen me. Please say something. You listen me. Shivam Kumar. Shivam, you listen me, please. Please reply. Where you all students gone? I don't understand. Okay, we go in next page. I hope you take a screenshot of this page. I go in next page. We have to discuss first chapter here. First chapter, matter in our surroundings. Chapter first. Chapter first, matter in around us. Matter in our surroundings. Matter in our surroundings. In this chapter, we have to study different types of topics. We have to detail these topics, which topics we have to read in this chapter. Chapter first topic is particulate nature of matter. Nature of matter. Second topic for this chapter, characteristics of particles of matter. Characteristics of particles of matter. Next topic in this chapter you have to read kinetic theory of matter. Kinetic theory of matter. Next,
किसी केस में इंफॉर्मेशन है?
states of matter. States of matter. Fifth topic you have to read interconversion of states of matter. Interconversion of states of matter, states of matter. Next sixth topic, commonly used scale for measurement of temperature, या फिर हम पढ़ सकते हैं मेजरमेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर इन शॉर्टकट, measurement of temperature with using with different scale, and last topic you have to read in this chapter 7th, evaporation. These 7 topics you have to read in this chapter. Please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. I hope you have to take a screenshot of this page. Okay. We have talking with some students. Ladli, you listen me, please reply me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's happened?
Mr.
Yes, sir. Here, Masoom Kumar. What's happened?
You have taken a screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have taken a screenshot of this page.
Yes.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Ladli, you have to
Yes, sir.
different topics. I have to
Yes,
teach in this class. You understand smoothly. If you have any problem, please.
Yes.
Please say.
No, sir. No problem.
Okay. We have go forward in next page.
I have one doubt.
Ask, please ask.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, ask please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First particulate nature of matter. सर ये यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, physical nature of matter होगा.
Please, what I have to read, please listen me completely. Then you ask. I have details these topics. Then you ask any types of question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you have doubts.
Sir, who introduced kinetic theory of matter?
I have discussed this when this topic we have to detail. This time we have to details about anything about this. Okay. Please, I have to only ask you understand these topics you have to read in chapter first, matter in our surroundings. You understand or not? Is it clear? Please reply. We have to go forward in next page. You all take a screenshot of this page. Okay.
Who introduced?
Please wait. We have already say you when I teach this topic. Then or that time we have to clear all these things. Okay. Now we have to start your first topic. We have to write these times. First topic is particulate nature of matter. No noise, please. No noise. Please, no noise. Please, no noise. Please, no noise. Students, mute yourself. Please, no noise. Particulate nature of matter. Particulate nature of matter. In this topic, we have to study the definitions of matter and their physical natures. How can we identify which are matters or which are not matters? These all things have we have to study here. We also study here what is object. Okay. Firstly, we have to define what is matter. Firstly, we have to define here what is matter. This is also used in our chapters topic. Matters in our surroundings. So we have to completely know about what is matter. What is matter? Okay. Anything in simple we have to define this. Anything which occupy anything which occupy a space and having mass is called matter. Is called matter. Okay, as for example, stone. It is a matter because it takes space and having mass. Wood. It is also a matter because it takes space and having mass. Air. It is also a matter because it occupies space and having mass. Or any types of gas. Air means any types of gas. We have two details and etc. Okay, these are the examples of matter. We have also know here how can we identify matter, which are matters or which are not matters. If you have to say about how can you identify matter, then you have to care something to identify matter, how we can say which are matter or which are not matters. Okay, so we have write some topics, some noted points through which you easily identify which are matters or which are not matters. Okay, we have say these types, some more examples of matter, some more examples of matter, some more examples, of matter. Okay, some more examples of matter. This is also said that how we identify which are matter. Here we write is. which is matter or which is not matter. Okay, please just take a screenshot of this page because there is no space to details something here. Please take a screenshot of this page, students. Please take a screenshot of this page. You have only 9 minutes 15 seconds. I also discuss something already. We have to read topics. Okay, first point, how we identify which are matter. First topic, all subatomic particles are matter. All we come due to network fluctuation, be out from your meeting.